The Khan of Gods!
Okay, so this is the Huawei Y9s, a phone that was released in November of 2019, packing 6GB of RAM with the iSilicone Kirin 710F chip, 4000 mAh battery, and the main camera on the back is actually 48 megapixels. That is regardless of the fact that this camera setup is actually a triple camera setup that has two other cameras that we'll talk about a little bit more later on in the video. Before I really dive into this video full time, I just want to say a quick thank you to the Aqua brothers for sending me the footage that I actually used for this review. So, by the power vested in me by Naira Marley, I declare this video shot by Kagan, even though technically it was shot by the Aqua brothers. Anyways, let's get it. So, one of the standout features for this phone is the pop-up selfie camera. It's a 60 megapixel f2.2 shooter that takes fantastic selfies, and when the phone detects that it's being dropped or it's about to fall, it completely retracts itself. Pretty awesome. And you're probably wondering, this is probably another one of those phones that has one of those under the screen ultrasonic fingerprint sensors. Well, you'd be wrong. The fingerprint sensor for this phone is actually on the side, on the same button as the power button, and it works seamlessly. Speaking about the display for this phone, you get a 6.59 inch screen that's 1080p by 2340. So it's pretty large. Operating system wise, this phone is running on Android 9.0, and that can be a little disappointing considering there's already Android 10, which is beautiful, absolutely beautiful, but Huawei had some problems with Google earlier in the year with licensing Android and all that, so it's understandable that they were unable to put Android 10 on this phone. Talking a little bit more about the triple camera setup on the back, the main shooter is a 48 megapixel f1.8 shooter that's absolutely fantastic. You also get an 8 megapixel sensor that's f2.4, but this is basically the ultra wide sensor, and you get a 2 megapixel depth sensor that is basically for your portrait mode and stuff like that. Now, like I said before, this phone comes equipped with 6GB of RAM, but it also comes with 128GB storage internally, which you can actually expand up to 512GB with a micro SD card. And speaking more about the micro SD card, this phone can either take 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM and 1 SD card, which you probably don't need since the phone already has 128GB internally. I mean, who needs more than that? Now, speaking about the build of this phone, the front and back is basically glass, and you get like an aluminum frame, and yes, the screen on this phone is LCD. It's not terrible, but it could have been OLED, so yeah. Combining the fact that they went with an LCD screen and the 4000 mAh battery, it kind of makes sense because now the 4000 mAh battery can actually last you very long. You can easily get through a day of use with this phone without it dying on you. Ultimately, I can keep picking away at all the specs of the phone, but the fact remains that despite all of the problems that Huawei had earlier in the year, coming out with a phone like this for $250 is still, it's like almost unbelievable. Like, I don't even understand where the profit margin is for a device like this. Now, I don't believe that this device is going to be coming to the US, but it is getting a soft launch in a lot of African countries these days, so if you're an African brother, you'll probably be able to buy this phone real soon. Ultimately, if you're looking for an Android phone that's not too expensive, will not break the bank, and looks pretty futuristic, looks like something that was made in 2020, this is probably a nice place to start at a decent budget. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I will see you on another video that was shot by Kagan. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.
Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't feel